Hello everyone, chess tactics for beginners. Number one, chess tactics. Okay, I am going to give you 9 seconds. You can find the answer between the 9 seconds. Okay, please watch until finish this video. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, now I am giving you 9 seconds only. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Chess tactic for beginners. Number one, chess tactics. The answer is I am going to explain right now. Okay, I am going to explain two variations here. First move, queen go to f7. Okay, now you can see right now the queen is attacking the white queen. Then queen goes f7 or two variation here, or go back and knight d2. Two variation here. Now I am going to explain number one variation. First move is queen go to f7. Another move is queen goes f7. Then knight goes e2 and we will check. And king go to h1. Rook goes f7 and black wins the game. Okay. Now I am going to give you another variation. Okay. First move queen f7. Then knight d2. Queen goes c4. After that knight goes c4. Trap the queen. Then knight goes e2 and we will check. Now totally black have so many pieces. Black is going to win this game. Okay, that's it. We can call now the number two chess tactics for beginners. Okay, if you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Hello everyone, chess tactics for beginners, number two chess tactics. This is number two video. Now I am going to give you 9 seconds. You can find the answer between the 9 seconds. Please inform your answer below the comment section. Okay, now the time is running. Please think your answer and write your answer below the comment section. Okay, let's start the timer.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, chess tactic for beginners. Number two, chess tactics. I am going to explain now the answer. I am going to explain two variations here. You can watch until finish this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay. First move, d goes e4. Now poke the bishop and knight. Another move, bishop plus e4. Then two variation here, knight d2. Or go back, d goes e4, bishop plus e4, knight e2, and we will check. Now I am going to explain one by one the two variation. Okay. First move, d goes e4. Now poke. Then bishop plus e4. Then knight e2 and we will check. Now queen go to h1 and wrap the queen. That's it. This is black wins easily this game. Now go back to d goes e4. Then knight d2. Okay, after that e goes d3. Then beautiful move of king go to h1. Then the black wins easily. Black has so many pieces. That's why black wins this game. Okay, that's it. I am going to explain now number three chess tactics in chess. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, this is number three video, chess tactic for beginners. Now I am going to give you 9 seconds only. Please inform your answer below the comment section. Okay, now we start the timer. Okay. Hello everyone, this is number three video, chess tactic for beginners. Now I am going to give you 9 seconds only. Please inform your answer below the comment section. Okay, now we start the timer. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, this is number three chess tactic for beginners chess video. Now I am going to give you the answer of these tactics. Okay, first move, rook plus f7, beautiful rook. Rook at the rook, f6. Then another move is queen plus b2 and we will checkmate. That's it. This is white wins easily this game. Go back now. Now you can see another variation of rook d8. Okay, I am going to give you rook d8, check. Then queen cross d8, cut the rook, and rook cross f7. Then bishop go to f6. Then bishop g7 and we will check. In this case, king go to g8, and the move is white turn. White bishop cut the f6 pawn and discovered check. Then king cross f7 and beautiful queen is gone. That's it. This is number 3 video, chess tactics for beginners. Okay, how to white wins, I am told already. Okay, if you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. I am going to explain another video, number 4, chess tactic for beginners. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, this is number 4 video, chess tactic for beginners. I am giving you 9 seconds only. Please find your answer of this tactics video. Okay, please share your answer below the comment section. Okay, now start the timing. Okay,
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
okay, I am giving you now this tactics answers in chess. Okay, let's start with rook d8 and we will check. Then cut the rook, then cut the queen. That's it. White wins easily. Now go back. Now rook d8 and we will check. And the king go to g7. Then rook cross c8, cut the rook, and queen cross c2. Then rook cross c2. White wins easily this game. That's it. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Hello everyone, this is chess tactic for beginners, number 5 video. I am going to give you 9 seconds. Please find the answer and share your answer below the comment section. Okay, the time is running right now. Let's start.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, this is chess tactic for beginners, number 5 video. I am giving you the right answer right now. Okay, let's start with rook cross f8. Now check. Then rook cross f8 and we will check, and rook cross a7. Okay, now totally white wins this game because the white has so many pieces. That's why white win easily this game. Okay, hello everyone. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Leave a comments below the comment section. That's it. This is a very good video. Don't miss to watch until finish this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.